Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your reputation with PeoplePerHour. Complete guide step by step clearly. To secure your reputation with PeoplePerHour, begin by creating a compelling profile. Choose a professional profile picture that reflects your expertise. Craft a clear and concise bio that highlights your skills and experience. List your key skills and areas of specialization in detail. Set competitive rates that reflect your skills and the market demand. Submit a portfolio showcasing your best work to demonstrate your capabilities. Ensure your profile is complete with relevant qualifications and certifications. Participate in the platform's community by joining forums and discussions. Respond promptly to any client inquiries to build trust and rapport. Maintain a high level of professionalism in all communications. Deliver high-quality work consistently to exceed client expectations. Request feedback from clients after completing projects. Use positive testimonials to bolster your profile and attract new clients. Address any negative feedback constructively and professionally. Regularly update your profile to reflect new skills and experiences. Network with other freelancers for collaboration opportunities. Participate in PeoplePerHour's promotions or contests to gain visibility. Monitor your profile metrics to track your performance and make improvements. Stay active on the platform by bidding on projects regularly. Using these steps will help you build a solid reputation on PeoplePerHour. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.